All right, Odie. All right, Wally. Monster Hyde showed up. This is the box. I'm making this video just for you guys, so you guys can see. I'm only gonna open this box, Otis. I'm not gonna open up the actual toy until you guys are back, okay, dude? It's your dad, man. I miss you and your brother very much. It just came in the mail, dude. Uh-oh, oats. Oats, milk goats. Dogs, back up. We got it, buddy. Oats. Milk goats. I miss you guys, man. I would love to be able to talk to you guys. Dogs, back up. All right, buddy. Wally, Odie, there it is, man. That's it. I'm not going to open it yet. I'm waiting for you guys. I'm going to let you do most of the opening, Otis. I'm going to let you look at the box really good. It just showed up, buddy. I was hoping you'd be here. But when you and your brother are back, man. Look, there's that exclusive sticker. We got it, dude. We got it. I miss you guys. All right, I'll talk to you later, guys.